Smash that like button.
Hello everyone, follow me and make a friend who understands English. Let's start. Scorching. Extremely hot. It was scorching outside, so we stayed indoors with the fan on. Heat wave. A long period of very hot weather. A heat wave hit California last week, breaking all records. Hydration. The process of keeping your body full of fluids. Drink coconut water to stay hydrated during summer. Sunscreen. A lotion that protects your skin from sunburn. Don't forget your sunscreen before heading to the beach. Monsoon. A seasonal period of heavy rainfall. The monsoon brings relief from the summer heat in India. Barbecue. Cooking food, especially meat, outdoors over a fire. Summer barbecues are popular in American backyards. Vacation. A break from work or school. Summer vacation is the best time to travel. Sweat. Moisture from your body when it's hot. I was sweating buckets after walking in the sun. Air conditioning. A system that cools indoor air. The AC was a lifesaver during the hot afternoon. Mango. A juicy tropical fruit often eaten in summer. Summer is mango season in India. Tan. Darker skin caused by sun exposure. She got a nice tan after a week at the beach. Humidity. Moisture in the air. The humidity made it feel even hotter than it was. Popsicle. A frozen flavoured ice treat on a stick. Kids love eating popsicles in the summer heat.
Don't forget to subscribe.